Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix suspicious activity on Instagram login. So, when you can see a page like this, just go for your Instagram and go for here for the login page and click on forgot password. Now you have to enter your username, email or mobile number of that account. So if I go for my account name here, username, and go for find account. Now you can see you can set your new password here. So if I go for just for my name and okay, then go for continue. Now you can see you can easily log into your account. So that's it. This is how you can fix this problem, which is suspicious activity. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by SOSoft. SOSoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with SOSoft today. For more details, check the description box.